Breaking news coming in. Sources have indicated TMC not joining opposition's delegation to President. TMC was asked to the president, I beg your pardon. The TMC was asked to join the delegation to the president, but they have questioned on what basis the 5 representatives for the meeting were chosen when Trinamool is the 3rd largest party in the parliament. TMC has been miffed on the selection process for the representatives. That's the latest coming in. They will not be joining the opposition's delegation to the president. They were asked to join the delegation to the president, but question on what basis 5 representatives for the meeting were chosen when Trinamool is the 3rd largest party in the parliament. Kamaljeet Sandhu breaking the story now joins us. Kamaljeet, how do you read this particular reaction coming in from the TMC not joining the opposition's delegation to the president? How do you reading this particular development politically as well? 5 p.m. is the all-important meeting, and suddenly they say that we're not going to be doing this given the fact that we are not happy with the process in which the 5 representatives have been chosen.
Well, what is important is the unity amongst the opposition leader, which should be seen. But however, we've seen a mixed response, one to the Bharat Bandh and a mixed response even in terms of the opposition parties. However, this is a pressure tactics where they look at this as an opportunity. One, because it's thousands of farmers are on the road. This agitation has entered 14th day. So yes, there is something which needs more coordination. The opposition, they say they may have differences because this is a democracy. So there is different hues which would be available. But yes, as far as repealing of the laws are concerned, this is where they are in unison as far as the opposition is concerned. But remember, so far the government has also tried to shift the blame not from the farmers to the opposition parties, saying they're being misled by the opposition. So there is going to be a lot of back and forth, but opposition parties, at least 5 of the representatives today will go at 5 p.m, meet the Rashtrapati, the president of the country, and obviously say that they must advise the government to repeal these particular laws because one, they find lacuna in them and these are not very well thought out. And they said that even despite having high opposition in Rajya Sabha, which they said we suggested should be sent to select committee, the government was in a hurry, they had the brute majority and now are facing consequences by the farmers.
All right, hold on right there. We're getting a big breaking news coming in.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.